Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet with Google Calendar step by step. By connecting Google Meet with Google Calendar, you can schedule meetings, invite participants, and automatically generate a Meet link for everyone to join. So let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're on the Calendar homepage, click the Create button in the top left corner or click on any date and time on the calendar to create a new event. Enter a title for your meeting. Next, choose the date and time for your meeting. Now, look for the Add Google Meet Video Conferencing option. In most cases, Google Calendar automatically adds a Google Meet link to your event. If it doesn't, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing to generate one. You'll now see a unique Google Meet link attached to the event. Next, click Add Guests on the right side. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite to the meeting. You can also add a meeting description, location, attachments, or other details if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar will ask if you want to send invitation emails to your guests. Click Send. Your guests will receive an email invitation containing the meeting details and the Google Meet link. When it's time for the meeting, open Google Calendar and locate your scheduled event. Click on the event, then click the Join with Google Meet button. Your browser will open Google Meet. Allow access to your microphone and camera if prompted. Finally, click Join Now to enter the meeting. You can also share your screen, chat with participants, present slides, record the meeting if available, and use other Google Meet features during the call. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Google Meet with Google Calendar. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Calendar, Google Meet, and productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.